Hi, this is Dave from Elliott Data. In this video, we're going to talk about account login. Now, account login button is located under the photograph. And this is where you assign a username for someone to have access. Passwords are strong passwords. They must contain, at a minimum, one uppercase, one lowercase, one number, 8 characters in total, and a special character, like a $sign or an @ sign or an exclamation. We confirm the password in the second field. PIN number is not required, that's for a future option. You can have a login expiration if you'd like, or you can leave it blank. However, once you fill in the expiration field, you will be required to enter an expiration. If you're creating logins for other people and you want to use a dynamic or use a generic first-time password, you can by selecting the forced password change. That will mean that when the person logs in the first time with that password, they will be required to change their password on login. Click Save. If you entered the information incorrectly, at the bottom of the screen you will see in green letters, User Login Saved. If you didn't follow the structure for a strong password, it will remind you what that structure is. The next thing we have to do is add access to the system. Now you've given a login for them, you need to provide them access to the system. On a single system, you will only see the one system. If you have access to multiple systems, you will have more than one system in the drop-down list. And you will have to add access to each system that the administrator allows you to have. On a local system, you will have available System Admin, Super User, and View Personnel only. Please note that Super User is used and should be reserved for the local test dummy record only. We're going to use System Admin because we're going to give me full rights to the system. Click Save. I now have rights to the system. We'll talk more about user groups in another video and how to define them. We'll talk about user groups and how to define them, We'll talk about how to create user permission groups in another video. Click Finished when you're complete.